Hey guys, if you like what you see in today's video, click the like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to see more. Thank you, and here's your video. Hey, welcome fam pilots. Pretty cold out today. No, not gonna lie. I'm here at Wallace Lake. I'm gonna take some of this beautiful winter footage. Today is January 18th, and they're calling for between 7 and 9 inches of snow. So this is the calm before the storm. Let's see what we got. Right now, this is ground zero Wallace Lake. Lake's definitely frozen over completely. All right, let's see what it looks like from up in the air, shall we? So today I'm gonna try to put the Air2 up in the air and also run the DJI FPV. There's people out on the lake ice fishing, so I am going to try not to cause a disturbance. Alright, haven't really done this ever in the code. I see people flying from inside their cars all the time, so let's see how well this works. Alright, so first flight was a success. I didn't lose the drone in the ice, but there's too many people out on the ice right now, so I'm not going to put the DJI FPV out. So onward to the next stop. One of my favorite places, Hurricane Park. See you in a bit. I'm trying to hustle over to my next spot because it's 4:30 right now on my clock, Eastern time, and it's looking between 5:20 and 5:25 sunset time here, so trying to rush all along, being safe as well. Okay, so we're here at the second location, Hurricane Alley in Brooklyn, and those clouds are getting darker, so yeah, we've got some fun stuff incoming here in Cleveland. right, your turn. All right, I'm going to make this super quick as it has started to snow very, very lightly. So let me get this thing in the air. Okay guys, so that last flight from the DJI FPV was successful. I brought the drone in because, like I had mentioned earlier, it started to snow and it was getting colder too. So I forgot to record the ending part of that session, so this is basically the end of the video. I hope you enjoy the sights from our winter wonderland here in Cleveland, and just stay safe but stay warm. Until next time.